Hello to all boys. Yes, my guys, how are you all? Hope all be fine. You're doing very awesome trading. Welcome to Strong Bull. Today, I am going to introduce something very special, something very new, and awesome trading expert advisor. What's mean of expert advisor? In simple language, you can say this is an robot for trading. What exactly this robot will do for you? This robot will automatically trade for you. You just need to switch this robot on your account, okay? Load the setting files, okay? Choose the volatility pair, jump index pair, any boom and crash pair, and run this robot on your account and go sleep without worries. This expert advisor have good risk management tolerance, also good criteria to find out best and special trades based on supply and demand, based on grid algorithm, and based on something included price action and something more. Sorry, I can't explain all my strategy. Okay, so what's the next? Once the robot will open trade, automatically it will hold your trade, automatically it will close your trade, automatically it will set the stop loss, take profit, trailing, moving the stop loss, locking the profit. It's all up to this robot. So this is the best innovation of 2023, boys, and for all Deriv lovers, for all volatility indexes, for all jump indexes. Okay, right now we are sorry for range break is not included in this. Okay, because the nature of range break is totally different than other volatile indexes. So because of that, we are not adding right now. So the expert advisor is going to work on volatility all pairs included 1S indexes 10, 25, 50, 75, and 100, and also volatility full 25, 50, 75, and 100 index, boom and crash, all major and minor indexes 300, 1000, and 500, jump index, all 6 pairs. You guys can trade using this robot. Need to fund $100 is a minimum capital required for this robot. You just need to make the deposit $100, have this robot, set this robot, upload our setting files we will send you after purchase. Set this, and after hit the all go button on and go sleep. The robot will automatically trade for you, automatically analyze, automatically stop loss, take profit, risk management. Each and everything is automatically. If there is a spike on way, definitely the bot will milk the spike on boom and crash. If there is a scalping trade, there is a long-term trade, automatically the robot will open trade, execute, and hold for you. Now let's move on and let me show you the history of today on this account, what actually the robot did today. So guys, keep watching this account and let me show you the toolbox. Look here, the starting capital was $6,200 and right now is in 543 something, plus is running in the all trade is in below. All trade below. The one trade is set up on stop loss. Maybe the robot just analyzed, maybe the trend is going to change, the trend is going to exhaust. So because of that, your profit is secured. And other all trades have no stop loss, no take profit, unlimited go away. These trades are held by the robot. Okay, there is no fixed time frame. Okay, you just need to pick the pair, open the chart, and set this robot. We are running this robot on H1 time frame. It's really doing pretty cool, pretty awesome, guys. Front of you guys, today $540 in profit. Expert advisor strong bull version 3.1. is released for you guys. Best of luck, guys. If someone want to purchase this, someone have this tool, come here, check the description below, the contact details there, join our team, chat with them. If you have any question, any other query, you guys can ask us. We are here to help you. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, also like, share with others, invite more friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Best of luck. Thank you.